Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to enable cheats and ghost mode in Valorant. So let's open up our Valorant, click play. Now click on custom game, go to options, click on allow cheats. Now close. Now start the custom game, click on start match. Just select any agent to get into the game. Now wait for the game to load. Now the game has loaded. Now press escape, go to cheats, scroll down and turn ghost mode on. Click on close. Now you can see the ghost mode is on and I can fly anywhere. To turn the ghost mode off, just click off in the cheats section and that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.